Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Monk of India. So today we are unboxing this product. This is this is this has come from Amazon, and this is an Amazon product itself. I know most of you know this product, so when I open this you will get to know what exactly is the product. Very good packaging for Amazon, from Amazon, specifically on their products. They do a very good job, which I really appreciate. So welcome to my channel Tech Monk of India, friends. So this is the product that we are opening today. uh, this is we have opened it on the wrong side, but it's okay. So it's an Amazon Echo device, the newly launched F, the 2021 device, I would say, that I am opening up out here. So this is the box. It's pretty neat. I don't think we have to put any effort here because this is pretty sleek, same like Apple product. It's a very smooth experience, and which is what I like about all these new gadgets that are coming in. So I have ordered this on the Amazon Prime Day, so I am getting this particular product for rupees 5500. It is a pretty good bulky product. I would say it has good amount of weight in it, and this is all I have. This is the product, and then here comes the charger, which is white. Why have they sent a white charger? I'm not very sure why, but this is how it is. I hate white because it gets dirty. So in India, ideally, that is the reason I don't like. And these are some documentation, important information for Echo. That is what it says here. And then we have Hello Alexa device. That's it. That is all I have for unboxing. Thank you, guys. Okay, friends. So now we are going to sync this up with Alexa, so that uh, we can start syncing. So how do we do that? This is very interesting because I will be using the Alexa app in my phone to basically sync it up. So I go to the Alexa app, and then Alexa will basically turn on English, continue. So it's basically setting up for now. And now if I go to
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
so it's,
Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
so I already have an Echo device with me, and that is the reason it has already started pairing. So you can see that it is pairing up.
Your Echo is ready.
So it's ready. That's it. So this is how quickly I can set up an Echo. And now this device is ready to go. So I have 3 Echo devices now, including this. So I have a Echo Dot, I have Echo Plus, and I also have this Echo which has just synced up. So there are 3 Echo devices that I have right now with me, and so it's basically this will be my primary device, and then the old Echo Plus will be my secondary device now. So I'll accordingly install it. So thank you for watching this video. Thanks.